Guys, welcome back to the channel. And today is my most awaited video.
अच्छा
That is the house touring a bungalow. Yeah,
ये बड़ी अच्छी
touring a
बात कही
bungalow.
है।
And I'll not waste your time. And we'll start with it
मेरे को जाना पड़ेगा
from the entrance.
मेरे को जाना पड़ेगा मेरे को
This is the
जाना पड़ेगा
entrance. Let's close the door. And this is the common outside area. And that's this. There is a small. This is the small garden.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही है।
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है
Let's go to the entrance. This is the parking area. There's a twist in
अभी मजा आएगा
of
ना
the
भिड़ो।
video, which you'll see in a room tour. Let's unlock it. We are inside the bungalow, and let's show you the living room and dining. This is the living room and dining room. As you can see, the chairs and the table. And yeah, this is the and that is the common. Let's show you the common room first.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही है।
This is the common room where many people come come to come as a to talk or something. Relatives comes and they sit here most probably. That's the cooler. That's some achievements of my mothers and some mothers' achievements. And back there's a window and that is outside door.
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना
Let me
है
give you a tour where I mostly do spend my whole vacations. This is the tour I showed you in my previous videos with some different types. And this is the room, and that's the TV. Back some chairs are there. This is the cupboard, and that's the this is the washroom, and that's the AC up. You can see that.
ये बड़ी
And
अच्छी बात कही है।
sorry, let's move to the next room.
अरे भाई क्या बताऊं मैं
This is the
मैं क्या बताऊं
all our changing room where we all
अब आया ना लाइन पे
dress up and something we look different. And back there's a mirror.
अच्छा
There's a cupboard and some blankets and all and bed sheets and some stuffs are there. And here our childhood
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
childhood clothes and all are there.
अब आया ना लाइन पे
So I'll show you the washroom.
ये क्या है
This is the washroom.
मजा आया और मैं ये जो मजा है
Geyser,
हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना
shower
चाहता हूं
also. Let's quickly do it. And let's come with another room tour, which mostly mothers sleep. And
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
room comes with a twist, and I'll be talking in a different voice. So let's continue. This is the room. It's Stacy. As you can see, this is one. As you can see, this is the as you can see, there's a small store. Let's see it. Let's see. This is a small store. Okay. And
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
it really takes hard work to do this. And it's really hard. And let's go to the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Chimney. There's some more stuff. Yes, you know. And there is a sink. As you can see, there is a sink.
अब आए ना लाइन पे.
Now let's go to different location and I'll meet you in a bit. And yeah, we'll see you in a bit quickly. And yeah, guys, there's a left out part. And this is the cooler in which this is a cooler of my and my big brother and small brother's uh, room. So mostly we chill out here and spend our most of the day in this room.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
This is the mirror, as you can see.
चिप्स मांग रहा है.
I'll show you the washroom also.
ये क्या बात करता है यार.
And the crazy part is that it doesn't. You don't
अरे
even.
कहना क्या
You,
चाहते
you
हो?
will not even know that inside this there's a washroom. That's for the cupboards. So you may not know. It's Ray. You will be confused that in this there's a washroom also. Really?
चिप्स मांग रहा है.
So let's go to other area and
मेरे
let's
को
quickly
जाना पड़ेगा.
grab this and let's see downstairs.
अरे मैं क्या बताऊं मैं.
I'll not go that much down.
मैं क्या बताऊं.
So it's little tight.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Actually,
अब आए ना लाइन पे.
much far. It's somewhat closed. Not that. I'll show you the inside also. Little bit inside what is there. Okay. I tried my level
अब
best,
आए ना
but
लाइन पे.
it's not properly showing in the phone
ये बड़ी अच्छी
what
बात
is
कही
there
आप.
inside. So sorry for the inconvenience, and let's wrap up the tour with. I'll show you this side. That is the cooler, and let's wrap up. I'll meet you in sometimes.
अब आए ना लाइन पे.
There was some
अरे
issue
कहना
that
क्या चाहते हो?
they were saying. That's why I had to wait what they're saying. I didn't understand
अब
what
आया
they
ना
were
लाइन पे
saying, and that's why I had to leave the video and ask them what they said, that underground light is open. So I checked. I went down and checked. It was on, and I'll tell this to
अब आया ना
my
लाइन
that
पे
or I'll tell this to my grandmother that underground light is open. I because I don't know the switch. I come here only for summer holidays
ये बड़ी अच्छी
and
बात कही आप
we enjoy our each of the day, and we we don't even we don't
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो
know how we don't know not that but how days are spent. Can't imagine how fast time travels. It really changes you. Time really changes you a lot, and it will change many of the people. And it is changing. Like I had before this, I had no confidence that I will be able to do
अरे कहना क्या
this
चाहते हो
shoot and all. But I I said let's give a chance.
ये बड़ी
What will
अच्छी
happen?
बात कही आप
I'll fail. Try till try until you get succeed. That's it. That's the main motto of your life should be.
ये बड़ी अच्छी
Because
बात कही आप
if you don't try, you will not, and if you fail, you will. It's first attempt in learning, and you learn something if you fail. You learn what mistakes you have done, what bad you have done, what can be corrected, what has to be done. You will get an idea, and you will get an some image that you should do this, you should do that, and yeah, that's it. And it was really interesting to do this in a different language. Means not. I know this language, but my most of the my almost 9 to 10 videos are in Hindi. I tried my level best to do this vlog bungalow tour in full English so that I can improve myself, and maybe from my video many people will get influenced to do their passion and do what the stuff they want to do. And I'll quickly wrap this up because it has been not that somewhat tiring, and I'll see you guys in the next video that will be mostly in Gurgaon because today I'm traveling to Gurgaon, and mostly from there I'll be posting the videos. Please give me like, share, and subscribe to the channel because it's really tough to make the videos because it's take a more courage to do this video, and it's really it really takes out your most of the time because you you know what you don't know that much because it's a new field for you, and it's a completely new game, and you're getting to learn each and every day, and because each and every day is a new learning and a new day and a new outcomes will come. So wrapping up this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's do this in a different voice, and signing off as Manan, and signing off. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Please. See you in Gurgaon, and we'll meet soon. Thank you. So guys, this was the last left out part. I thought I covered all the parts, but this was the last remaining part, which is bungalow's private terrace, which you can see like this. I'll show you around, and it has also a private bathroom. I'll show you back. You can see that back door. This is the private bathroom, and it's actually closed. I'll show you next time when I come to Jaipur.
अब आया ना लाइन पे
And yeah, back there is relative's house, and I'll show you the swing, and last the view. This was the swing, which has got old. Before we used to play with the swings and all. It was really fun. We each year we really enjoy here with the fresh air, and yeah, it's where the natural beauty comes here, because you get to see the natural views from from the terrace, and yeah, that's it. And from there top there is water tank and all, and yeah, signing off.